Hey guys! Dahil nag-comment kayo ng room tour sa aking previous video, gagawin na natin ang room tour ko dito sa Amerika. Let's go! Okay, so hindi ko lang kung saan tayo mag-start, pero I'm gonna show you the overview of my room. And I'm very thankful na meron akong sariling kwarto dito sa Amerika kasi kung tatandaan nyo guys, sa Pilipinas, I used to have a room. Maliit lang siya pero dito ngayon sa Amerika, mas lumaki siya. Iba pa rin yung kwarto ko sa Pilipinas. Siyempre, if gusto nyo mapanood yung room transformation ko at yung room tour ko sa Pilipinas, just click this video. Okay, mag-start tayo dito sa may pintuan natin. Sorry, naririnig nyo yung background noise kasi nandito yung pinsan ko, si Gian, and yung ate ko. Nasa labas sila. Okay, so let's start dito sa aking pintuan. By the way guys, if napapanood yung vlogs ko, yung nag-move kami dito sa apartment namin, yung kwarto ko nasa kabila. Pero ngayon, nandito na ako sa kwarto na to. I like the layout of my room ngayon. I'm really proud of it and I'm keeping this layout for mahabang panahon. Kasi nga gusto ko yung layout niya, spacious siya, and I like how everything is in place. Okay, dito sa aking door or pintuan, meron lang mga hooks. Kasi ito yung previous room ni Kuya and kinip ko na lang yung hooks. Ito ako sinasabit yung mga coat ko for work and mga canvas bag, tote bags. And then dito sa side na to, makikita nyo yung aking frame, collection ng trading cards. Nakita nyo sa TikTok, nag-trending yung mga trading cards. So pati ako, nag-collect ako and nilagay ko sila sa frame. And meron ako dito ang vinyl record ng The Beatles. Original pa to, as in matagal na siya. Vintage na siya. Then let's go to my desk area. Dito sa akin desk area, I also like the layout kasi ang ganda niya. Like, may frame, yung desk ko. Kasi ang hirap i-layout ng room na to, but now, I'm so okay with the layout. Itong desk na to, nabili namin sa Walmart nung nag-move kami dito sa apartment na to. Ako na lang yung may ganitong table. Lahat sila, binenta na nila yung table nila. But for me, I still like it. I like the wood. Mostly pala ng mga gamit ko dito ay Marketplace, yung ibabigay, and from my lola. This chair, nakita ko siya sa Marketplace. Originally, it's like $150, pero nakuha ko lang siya for like $45 ata. So it's a good deal kasi bagong-bago pa siya. I just have my essentials here, my laptop, my GoPro for vlogging, a lamp. This is from my lola. Yung frames na to, I bought it from IKEA and then nag-print lang ako ng mga design from Pinterest. So actually, ano siya, bond paper na pinagdikit ko lang kasi low budget tayo guys. I also have this light dito sa taas and low budget siya. I know, dapat pinatan ko. Parang ganun yung light niya, pero tinatamad ako magpalit. Okay na yun guys. And also, nagsabit lang ako ng mga cup ko dito. Alam nyo guys na mahilig ako sa cup. Let's go on this side. This corner guys, naglagay na ako ng plant from IKEA dito. Pero nabuhayan yung room ko with this plant. Fake plant lang naman siya, pero it's giving buhay. Wow! So, nandito yung mga Polaroid pictures ko. Okay, so nandito yung mga Polaroid pictures ko with my friends, with Shadow, if kilala niyo si Shadow, siblings, family. I have 2 microphones. This one is pang live. My microphone for recording covers. Alright! Okay, basta naririnig niyo yung pamilya ko, pagpasensyahan niyo na. But on this side, I have my luggage over here. I use this for work. Then I just have a cabinet here, kasama na, or nandito na siya sa kwarto. Just have extra storage over there. Let's go to this side, my bookshelf, which is also my favorite part of my room. Itong shelf na to, nakuha namin sa isang bahay. Got it for free and I like walnut color. Dito sa top shelf, I only have a lamp that I got from Dollar General. Boots, nito sa akin, kay Kuya to. Wala namang winter dito sa Florida, so hindi to lagi nagagamit. So pinang-display ko na lang dito. Then I also got this bowler from Journey Church, and it says pray first. This bottle sa Barcelona, Spain, pag bumili ka ng tubig, nasa ganito, hindi libre yung tubig doon. So inuwi namin tong bote na to. It's also a souvenir from Barcelona. Dito sa second shelf, you can see my rocks. I collect rocks. Like this one, I got it from Miami. Nakuha ko siya sa dagat. I like to collect them from Canada, Columbus, Ohio. Then I have my precious remembrance Shadow. If you know Shadow, you're an OG. And then I have a stand here for my model airplane. Nag-iipon pa ako. May stand na pero nag-iipon pa. And then I have a Polaroid picture over here. Taken nung papunta kami sa US sa Emirates flight. Fun fact, nakita ko gumagamit yung flight attendant ng Polaroid. So I asked if pwede kami doon. It's only for kids. Pero binigyan pa rin kami. I bought for Mama Big Ben na nagpunta akong London. It's also one of my favorites kasi nandito yung aking diploma when I graduated as a flight attendant. And then my collection na plane. Also my gift for Mama na telephone booth from London. Random stuff lang siya. Books. Apple Watch is here kasi nakakonect siya doon sa likod. Trading cards. More trading cards. Let me know guys if you want a giveaway ng trading cards na to. Comment it down below and I'll give it away to you guys. Comment trading cards. Digital camera, camera lens, and that's it. Now let's go here. I just have a light here pero nakalimutan ko siyang i-charge. Ayoko nang mag-intay pa para ma-charge siya para makagawa ng video na to. Favorite perfumes here. Airplane, my Bible, and then a Lego set. Pero kay Kuya to. Ewan ko kung bakit nandyan. And my MacBook box. Dinisplay ko lang siya. I also have dumbbells sa kabila. Okay, dito sa my window, I have this little area. Meron lang akong mga naka-display and anik-anik. More of my rocks collection. This one I recently got from Vegas. Akala nyo guys, binigyan ako ng crew member ko ng rock kasi nagko-collect din siya ng rock and nakita daw niya to heart shape. So, she gave it to me. Minneapolis. This one. Bruh. This one I forgot. This one is from Amsterdam, from Charlotte. So I like collecting rocks kasi parang imbis na magnet yung kinokollect ko. I'm here, a plane, and just display, and more planes. You clearly can see that I love planes, diba?
Hi YouTube, this is our collection of plane models. We got 2 gears, 3 passenger plane model.
Bruh. And then on this side, naka-display lang yung box ng shoes ko and just another record player. On to this side. And then my most favorite part of the room, the bed, of course. I always look forward to lying down here kasi it's so relaxing. You can see the window over here. You can watch the view, the trees swaying, and of course, nakaka-relax. And I love my bed. Okay. On this part, meron lang akong whiteboard. This one, I am a qualified flight attendant. I wrote this down bago pa ako mag-apply. And then, I just have some verses here. One of my favorite verses. And then, stuff from Japan. My keys, more planes. And then here, I just have a lamp, a speaker, my devotional, pocket Bible, and my Bible. More caps. Kasi nga mahilig ako sa cap. Then I just have more vinyl records and my ukulele. And my mirror is over here. I like this purchase as well. This one is from IKEA. And then the stool ay binili ko lang sa Amazon. Most of the items here are also from Amazon. Ililink ko sa baba if you also want to buy that kind of item. This one is from Target. And then my shoes. My mirror from Walmart. This this carpet is also from Amazon. This bed frame, ginawa to ni Kuya nung previously dito siya sa kwarto na to. We built this bed frame and now ako na yung gumagamit kasi nandito na ako sa room na to. And yeah, I guess that's about it for my room. Hey guys, this is my room so far. Very bare. Ang laki pa ng space ko. This is my desk area. Then this one. Lahat dito madaming thrifted. Free ko lang nakuha yan. This one I got for $10. Yun lang. Yun lang pala. This headboard. ayun lang guys para sa aking room tour dito sa Amerika. Mag-comment kayo ng thumbs up if nagustuhan nyo. And I'll see you guys on my next video. Let's go! Bye-bye!
Up diddling ding dong.